In this video, we're going to talk about the various operations that can be performed on arrays, a common data structure used in programming. So let's get started. An array is a collection of elements of the same type stored in a contiguous memory location. Each element in an array is identified by its index, which starts at 0 for the first element and increments by 1 for each subsequent element. Arrays support several operations including traverse, insertion, deletion, search, update elements in the array. Let's take a look at some simple examples. In this example, we have an array of integers called numbers with a length of 5. First is traverse operation. This operation is to traverse through the elements of an array to access an element in the array. We can use the index of the element we want to access. For example, to access the third element in the array we use index 2. यहाँ पर हम for loop use करके सभी elements को access करेंगे. Second is insertion operation. Insert operation is to insert one or more data elements into an array based on the requirement. A new element can be added at the beginning, end, or any given index of array. यहाँ पर हम इस array में index 3 पर 10 insert करेंगे, जिसके लिए हमें उस index पर already existed elements को next position पर shift करना पड़ेगा. Third is deletion operation. Deletion refers to removing an existing element from the array and reorganizing all elements of an array. इसमें हमें index के अनुसार elements shift करने होंगे. Fourth is search operation. You can perform a search for an array element based on its value or its index. If loop से condition check करके हम यहाँ पर element search कर सकते हैं. Fifth is update operation. Update operation refers to updating an existing element from the array at a given index. यहाँ पर हम third position पर 10 update करेंगे. These are just a few examples of the operations that can be performed on arrays. By understanding these operations, developers can use arrays effectively to store and manipulate large amounts of data efficiently. In conclusion, arrays are a powerful data structure in programming. By understanding how they work, developers can use them effectively to create efficient and scalable software applications.